Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create table in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Excel, and if we want to create table, we need to decide how many columns and how many rows we want. Then we can select the cells like this, and let's say I want 5 rows and 5 columns. I'm just going to select 5 rows and 5 columns. Okay, then to create the table, we can go to the border and we can add border to the cell to create table. I'm going to select all border. Okay, and now as you can see that the table has been created, and I'm going to add information to the first column, just like this. Alright, and then if you still need more column or more rows, you can use this insert menu. I'm going to insert, for example, more row right here. So I'm just going to click on insert and then click on insert seed row. Okay, just like this. And I'm going to insert more column as well right here. I'm just going to click on insert seed column. Okay, that's very simple, right? Alright guys, and that's all the way to create table in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.